video will explore how to use the advanced filter option to extract data that meets complex criteria from our spreadsheet. To do the advanced filter, we need what is called our list range, which is the list of data from which the extraction will be done. We also need our criteria range. All right, so we're going to be working with the examples to the right of your screen. So the first advanced filter that will be done is to provide a list or to produce a list of all the male students. So since we need the male students, we're going to have to look at the gender. So our criteria range will be made from the gender. So on the criteria range, we're going to put gender, and the gender that we're looking for is male. So the actual criteria range that we have in this case is from age 12 to age 13. So that's the criteria range we're working with. So let's do the filter. So we're going to go to data, and on the sort and filter tab, I'm going to choose advanced. For the list range, just click on the button right here and select the list range, which is from A1 to B8. All right, click up here. I'm going to choose a criteria range. Criteria range, which is going to be based on A12 to A13. Once that is done, just click back on the button over here, and that brings back the rest of the information here. So we're going to click on copy to another location, and click at the button beside copy to, and choose where you'd like to have the data extracted. In this case, let's extract it to A16. Click back on the button here, click OK. Once that is done, you'll notice that you have a list of all the names. All right, let's look at task 3. Feel free to complete task 2. I expect you to complete task 2 on your own. So task 3 asks us to produce a list of all the males who are younger than 18. So on a list of all the males who are younger than 18. So in this case, we need our gender as well as our age. So both of those are needed to form our next criteria. So in order to achieve this new filter, we have to set up a different criteria. I'm going to call this one criteria range 2. All right. And notice the gender that we need is male. So we need male. And we need the gender, the age that we need are those who are younger than 18. All right, so we need those who are younger than 18. All right, let me just make that a little bigger for visibility. All right, so you need males who are younger than 18. Now, to do the filter, again, just repeat the procedure. We go to data. Over here, we're going to choose advanced. For the list range, we're going to select our list range from A1 to B8. Click back here. We're going to choose our criteria range. All right, so it's not the first criteria range we're working with. We are working with the one to give us the males who are younger than 18. And now we're going to go to copy to another location. Click on the button right here. Let's decide where to extract the data to. So we're extracting, let's say we want to extract to 830. Just click on 830, hit back the button. Once you click OK, you should be seeing all the males now who are younger than age. Now let's look. All right, so now we're going to look at another example. In this example, we are going to try to find a list of the males who are between age 12 and 15. All right, and so our criteria range will be a little different. So we have gender, male, age greater than or equal to 12, and age less than or equal to 15. All right, that's the first one, students between 12 and 15. So I'm going to go to advanced, select our list range, which is from A1 to D8. And now we're going to select our criteria range, which is going to be from A40 to C41. And now we're going to choose copy to another location. Click on the button beside copy to. And I'm going to choose the location that we wish to copy to. and we click OK. And this provides us with a list of meals sorted between 12 and 15. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it and try to practice others as well as complete the remaining items.